Hi viewers, in this video I am going to show you how you can fix storage space running out, some functions may not work problem in your smartphone. So viewers, if you don't want to lose your data, or if you don't want to root your smartphone, or if you don't want to use as an alternate SD card for this, so you are at the right place. So viewers, what you have to do is watch the video till the end. So let's get started.
So viewers, you can see that this is my smartphone, and if I swipe down from the top, you can see the notification panel gives me a notification which is storage space running out, some system functions may not work. So viewers, if I go to settings, you can see if I go to storage, the internal storage is 7.73 GB, used of 8.00 GB. So it's a problem for me because the internal storage is almost full, only some space is left. So that is why I'm getting this notification that storage space is running out. So in order to fix this, what you have to do is go to Google Play Store, and then what you have to do is search for link to SD. You can see I have written it here. You can see I have typed it here, and simply I will search for it, and then you can see as I have installed it, what you have to do is download and install it, which is linked to SD. So I will open it, and then viewers, what you have to do is tap on this three vertical dots, which is also known as the kebab menu, and after that what you have to do is tap on multi select, and then what you have to do is tap on this icon. You can see 14 selections have been done. So what are those? Number one is this one, which is highlighted, and there are more also. As I scroll down, you can see that there are many. Okay, so in order to fix your the storage space problem, what you have to do first of all, as you can see this is highlighted, is tap on the back button, and then what you have to do is tap and hold this, and then what you have to do is tap on uninstall, and then what you have to do is tap on OK. So viewers, now it is uninstalling it. You can see the uninstall has been finished. Now what you have to do is tap on the three vertical dots again, and then tap on multi select, and then tap on again this icon, and then you can see the 13 are left. So scroll down and find the next highlighted selection. So you can see I'm scrolling down, and you can see that I have found it one more highlighted, which is Facebook selection. So what you have to do is tap on the back button again, and then what you have to do is tap and hold Facebook, and then what you have to do is tap on uninstall, and then tap on OK. Okay, so viewers, you can see that it is uninstalling the Facebook. So the Facebook uninstall has been finished. Now the second one was this highlighted selection. So I will tap and hold again this one also, and then tap on uninstall, and then tap on OK. So viewers, you have to do same for this one, and then uninstall it. Okay, you can see it is uninstalling. So now you have to again tap on the three vertical dots and then tap on multi-select and then tap on this icon again, and then you can see now the 10 are left. So you have to again scroll down and do this for all ones. Okay, so again you have to tap on the back button and then do this for this Galaxy Store also, uninstall it and then tap on OK. So viewers, now you can see that there are about 9 left. Okay, so you have to do the same procedure for those ones which do not have importance for you. Don't do it for Gmail if you have important accounts or something stuff like that. So you can do this for these also, and now I will do them, then I will show you how much internal storage I have increased. For now I'm skipping the video. Viewers, now the last one I'm going to do is for the YouTube. Okay, I will uninstall it, and now you can see it is uninstalling YouTube also. And viewers, you can see that the system storage notification has been finished. You can see now if I go to settings and then go to storage, you can see that I have now space more, about 1 GB has been increased for the internal storage. So viewers, like this you can also increase your internal storage without rooting, without SD card and without losing your data.
Hope so you liked my video. Share and subscribe my YouTube channel, get information and knowledge, and tap or click on the notification bell on all to get a notification of my latest uploaded information and knowledge videos.